Hello, welcome guys. Welcome. Happy weekend. Happy weekend guys. So in this video, wait. In this video, I'm going to talk about the NFP news that dropped yesterday. I couldn't make the video yesterday. Was kind of caught up on something. I was busy, so I couldn't make the video. So let's go. So wait. Oh my god, I don't even know the distance. Oh, let me load up this shit, man. Yeah, thank God. Yeah, NFP news dropped yesterday, which is the non-farm unemployment change. Okay, let's really talk about the meaning of NFP. This is the measures the change in number of employed people during the previous month, excluding the farming industry. So it's not actually farming industry is not actually included in this news data. So frequently it's released monthly, usually on first Friday after the month's end. So usual effect, which is actually if the actual, which is this actual number, this 336k is greater than the forecast, it's actually good for the currency, in the sense that it's actually good for the dollar index. If you are actually a trader, you trade currency pair, you should actually watch out for the dollar index, especially if you trade any pair that is against, or the dollar is against. You should actually look at the dollar index. The dollar index will give you insights on what you should trade. So let's go. So let's come back to the NFP. So the NFP news, it is actually called non-farm employment rate, but normally it's called non-farm payroll, and it's also called non-farm employment change. So it's still the same thing. So this actually means that the previous data released, which is 227,000 jobs were created last month, and this month now, and we expected a slowdown on the labor market in the United States, which is actually the forecast, we were actually expecting these numbers to drop to 171k. Now it's now skyrocketed to 336k, which is more jobs were created this in last month. More jobs were created last month. So if there's more jobs and there's tightening, the labor market is very strong. This actually signifies a very strong, very this signifies that the dollar index will be very strong, the US dollars will be very strong. And if you look at this on the daily time frame, the USD now, the USD has been very bullish, and we have been in a bullish trend since 19th of July. We have been in a bullish trend, which is actually the US economy is getting better and stronger now. Inflation is being on check in the United States. So what does these numbers actually imply? And also on Thursday, unemployment claims came in, and the numbers were very good for the dollar. Now, the non-farm payroll numbers were high. The unemployment rate slightly increased. So was my analysis. And to wrap it up, when CPI news coming up on Thursday, once the data is released, and the data is very very okay, it's very okay for the US dollar, I'm expecting the US dollar to keep on skyrocketing, moving higher. Also after the news yesterday, I'm in a short position. Man, what's going on? So okay, I'm in a short position. The pounds to dollars, I'm in a short position, so I'm almost down minus $88. So I'm in a short position. Because why am I in the short position? Because the non-farm employment change numbers were significantly high, which is actually signifies that the dollar index, or the US dollar, is going to continue bullish. Euro USD will be bearish, pounds USD will be bearish, commodities and indices will also be bearish. So based on this number now that was released yesterday, and if CPI CPI numbers are released and the numbers are great, I'm sure that the Federal Reserve of the United States are going to keep the interest rates higher, still keep it at the 5.5%. So which actually means that the US dollar is going to become still be more bullish. So what's my fundamental? This is actually the fundamental part now. This is my technical part for entry based on there's an order block here. So here is the order block, the candlestick before the momentum push down. So what am I actually saying is that I might be in a short trade. I will be in a short trade for the rest of till this month going to run down. I might be in a short trade. Once the CPI and interest rates numbers comes out, the CPI numbers come out, and the CPI numbers actually indicate that the dollar will be bullish and will be bullish, I'll still be in this trade, keep it bearish for this month. So I'm still trading this trade now. See, I'm not this actually particular place. I'm not actually keeping my take profit. This is just putting it there just for putting sake. I might just remove this take profit and let the profits run down. So if you find this video helpful and you enjoy my content, don't forget to like and comment also comment your opinion about the non-farm payroll numbers that dropped yesterday. So thank you guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Peace out.